go into his office.
We gotta wait.
Ooh!
Oh, JR! Dad! It's Daddy.
Oh, no. Ew!
This is not part of the costume.
This is a very natural situation that would happen.
I spilled my coffee on you. This is why I put lids on my shit. I'm trying to be JR.
JR, you're fired. I can spank. Daddy.
Look at Dad. Dad, you've changed.
Did you see the new warehouse place?
She looks good.
Yeah, Dad spilled his coffee on me.
Yeah.
Literally as they were running to the door. So do you or do you not want to see the warehouse plans?
I'm okay. I'm still shocked at my dad. He got a little skinnier.
What's all that coffee?
I'm doing a slow walk today.
What do you think about Christina?
I think it's
I don't like that.
I don't.
I feel like your pants are on the borderline of an HR problem, but they're not quite there.
If he takes one earring out, he's George Michael.
Oh!
Yeah.
I love it. It makes me so happy. I bought backup boots because I knew it tonight.
Are you a used car salesman? You're like, this shit's not going anywhere.
I'm like learning how to live with boobs. Like I have to like look forward to walk down the stairs and stuff. It's wild.
The one AirPod. Are you just gonna randomly start singing at any moment?
I can't sing, so no. I sound like a dying whale.
Time to go to the Mercedes.
The Mercadis.
The Mercadis.
Should we do this one?
Photo by the
Where you're sitting on your phone.
Mercadis.
I could just.
Yeah, you gotta start coughing really loudly.
My sickness is not your punchline. This is an episode of JR Shenanigans. Let's go fix the toilet.
This is what Dad does for NanaMacs.
The slow movements.
I'm trying not to spill my coffee.
Definitely. Ah! It's just me. Come on. Just so that I don't look stupid out here by myself. That's why I was terrified. But also, show them your butt.
Yeah.
Look how good her butt looks in this. How does Irina still look cute like this?
Let's go fix the ice machine. I have my handy dandy screwdriver right here.
Did y'all actually break it though?
Maybe just try unplugging it, plugging it back in. I think it's good to go.
Making our way down.
Going good, JR. It's going good, buddy.
Hey, could you help me take this down later?
Yeah, I think we can make it work. Is this thing working good? Oh, maybe I need to fix this in here. Nope, nothing to fix here. Just go take another walk. Anything need to be fixed over here?
Nope.
You sure?
Over there, there's a fan. It's making the weirdest noise. If you could take a look at that, I'd greatly appreciate it, JR.
Okay. I'll try to make it happen after my walk. Yep, that's good.
I can literally hear you walking like that. That is so bad.
Yep, working just fine. Do you need me to reach anything for you? Grab anything? Maybe I should whip out my ladder.
Whip out your what?
Ladder.
Oh, whoa.
I said ladder, you dirty girls.
You're looking good, JR.
Thank you. Did everything look right? Yeah, work was done. Good.
You do a great job, JR.
Thank you.
You're fantastic at what you do.
Can you fix the bathroom sink? It's leaking again. I'll get right on that. Oh yeah, definitely a leak. Oh, not leaking anymore. We're good. Okay, I'll pretend to take a nap.
Holy shit, he does take naps. Hey! You seeing double?
Yeah, pretty much. I've been shopping in my closet.
Yep, Jeremy let me in yesterday.
Just wondering who was in there.
Oh.
She even got Wranglers.
I got Wranglers!
And don't worry, Dad. She's been all over the warehouse fixing things.
Yeah.
The toilet
Awesome.
works.
She's got your laugh down. Jacob taught her how to laugh like you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll never do that again.
It's like right
It looks like a set of Russian nesting dolls.
too. You guys look so smiling. Wait, do it
She's
again.
even favoring the right hip.
Perfect.
This is the best day.
Oh, I love this. Oh, look, it's Michaela. Are you taking pictures of me taking video?
Yes.
Okay, fair. Sir, are you gonna walk past Bailey?
Oh, I saw
Hi to me, bro.
Yeah, you gotta
wanna
be
be on our
sarcastic for the rest of it.
It was literally Bailey all day. And then he goes into the ice machine and no, that's me. All three of you siblings have an issue. Okay, but am I supposed to grab the whole block of ice and put it in my drink? You can like delicately do it.
How much of that are you gonna drink before the day is over?
About right there.
Surprise, Michael came dressed as me. I did not expect that. I thought Susie was going to be me. That was
What do you
a lie.
want, Thumb?
I set myself up for this. You want to play NBA 2K?
You know, your forehead is so big, you could land a plane on it.
Boys, simmer down.
I have work to do.
I have to go watch an anime. Yeah, I'm vegan.
Okay, he's better out now.
I want to see how much of this he's gonna eat.
It's just sitting in my mouth.
You're gonna take a drink of your drink.
I don't.
Please, no. Do not touch the drink.
Dad, I might throw up.
Do that. Spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it out, son.
I feel like I need to put like hand sanitizer on my mouth. Do I actually sit like that? I do, don't I? Oh,
I really have this video to finish by Saturday.
This is amazing. Oh, it's fantastic.
Love it. Freaking love it.
So, first things first, I want to say thank you for participating in our experiment of Spirit Week. It was like the first time that we've ever done anything like that. We got a lot of great content out of it. I feel like everybody is approved. What are you doing?
I'm trying to edit a photo.
Let's get down to the scores. In third place with 35 points and the week total, Michaela. $50 your way, ma'am. 36 points in second place goes to Erica. $100 your way, ma'am. I like holding the suspense. First place with 37 points, Irina.
I love it. You did so good today.
You jumped out of nowhere because you started today with 4 points and then you literally jumped 33 points in a day. So,
Way to go, JR.
Wild card. Dude, it's because I drew JR's name.
Exactly. Thank you all so much, and hopefully we do it again next year.
Next time we're gonna all dress up like JR.
Oh wow.